Hello guys, if you clicked on this video, you are likely willing to learn about the business models, and today I will make sure to give you some valuable information about the business model of dropshipping. It is one of the ways to sell products online that allows you to work from anywhere you want and not have to worry about creating the products yourself. You would work with a manufacturer who would do the majority of the work beside the selling of the product. Doing all of the marketing and growing the brand would be your job. This means that as a drop shipper, you would not have to worry about the inventory and the packing and the shipping because that would be done by the manufacturer. All you really need to do is sell the product, but this is often the harder part of the process because you have to prove the customer that your products are right for them and that your services are better than those of other people. You as a dropshipper have to make sure that the customer trusts you enough to make an order. And in case you have done everything correctly, when the customer would make an order, your manufacturer whom you work with would immediately receive all of the information about the order so that they can prepare it and send right to the customer. The benefits for you as a dropshipper include fewer costs, less financial risk, and no need to stick to a certain location. You can easily expand your business as well. You do not need to store the products or buy a lot of them in advance. But the best part is that you do not need to have a lot of money to start this business either, so the major investment will be just you putting a lot of your time into the process. Now let's discuss the cons of dropshipping. The major disadvantage is that you will depend on the manufacturer. They also likely will want to take a good percentage of the profit, meaning a lot of money will just be going to the manufacturer and not in your pocket. So to actually make some money, you would have to do a lot of sales. Additionally, you do not have the control over the quality of the product. So let's say that the manufacturer does something wrong. You know that the customers aren't really happy about it and you even know how to fix it. But since you do not make the product yourself, you cannot really do it. Because of this, it is very important to choose whom you work with as a manufacturer. Just in case you are wondering about the products, some of the most popular niches are women's clothing, beauty products, baby products, accessories, and self-care products. Now, speaking of the real challenge that most dropshippers face is that there is just a lot of competition. There are many people who are trying to do this business and are already in the business. So if you are just starting, it might be a bit hard to enter and make the profit. Nevertheless, if you have a good product and you are ready to do some social media marketing, then go ahead. You won't lose much if you just try. Don't spend too much money on ads though, because they don't always work well, especially if you don't really know what you are doing. There are ways to promote your products just through posting content. You can even get somebody else to do it for you by giving them the products in return, for example. Do not expect this business to make you a millionaire overnight, but research shows that making 100k plus per year from this business is totally possible. Another good thing about this business model is that it does not have to be your full-time job. So once you get an opportunity, you can start multiple businesses. Alright guys, I hope that this was useful. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.